how do you create meaningful work? How can you wake up each and every single day and say, I feel fulfilled? Well, in this video, I want to talk about one way that you can increase how aligned you feel with your work each and every single day. Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter. I'm a leadership and career coach that guides leaders through one-on-one coaching and self-guided online courses and this free content to really create a career they can love. I've worked with hundreds of clients one-on-one and tens of thousands through workshops and events in person and virtual. So if you're looking to change up your career to finally feel successful as a leader and to honestly just finally say like, hey, I'm happy at work, send me a message, contact information in the comments. Let's have a conversation. So a lot of us know what matters to us at work. We know in our gut what we want to be working on. Problem is we feel limited by our jobs, and so we can't work on the things that we know are going to help us feel fulfilled. Research has shown that if we can take at least just one day, a couple hours for one day a week in our work week to do something that we know is going to create impact, going to help us feel meaning, going to help fulfill us a little bit more, that we will feel our job is meaningful. And so my challenge to everyone here is to do that one thing in your gut, to really focus on what is it instinctually that I know that I'm good at doing, that's a challenge to me, and that I think is meaningful for my job. And you can find a couple hours a week. I know you can. And so take block some time on your calendar, identify the thing that is going to help you feel a little bit more meaningful about your job, and do it. Just protect it and take some action in a way that you haven't been. And a lot of times people don't take action in this way because they think their entire work has to be meaningful, or they've been telling themselves stories about their job that there's no way this could be meaningful, or I hate this place, why am I going to put a little bit of energy into this job anyways? And so all those beliefs and actions, honestly, or a lack of action, is creating a negative environment for you where you won't feel meaning. So try to block off just a couple hours a week. That's all you have to do to give this job where you're doing some meaningful work, doing something that is challenging, that you're good at, and that helps you feel a little bit more connected to the organization and the work that you're doing, even if you're trying to pull away. It'll make you feel happier, it'll build greater career capital, it'll build more relationships, and that will give you more energy to actually take further steps in creating a career that you can say you love. So hey everyone, if you've taken one thing away, give it a like, give it a share. Let me hear in the comments what you actually are passionate about, what brings you meaning. I want to hear it, so share it. And most importantly, everyone, this is why I'm here. Keep on living for yourself.